Hey everyone, this is Jethro. So I was having an issue the other day where I recently acquired a MacBook Air 13-inch 2013 version or mid 2013 version, and we'll run the NeoFetch to be able to show y'all. I am running Nobar 37 or 38. I've actually been running it on my main PC for a while, and in general, I enjoyed how Fedora worked, but I wanted to try something a bit more custom, and in general, Nobara has worked very well for me. But essentially, why I wanted to do this video is because of the fact that when I first got onto this laptop, and as you can see up at the top, that I am having to use a wired internet, and this is why I wanted to make this video, is to point out that there has been an issue that I noticed with the 2013, and I did a bit of research, and everybody who noticed ahead of time was that the 13-inch MacBook Air for the mid 2013 version was having this issue with specifically the Fedora and kind of in general. But since I'm running Nobara, which is not quite a fork of Fedora, but it is very similar to, and it is running off of the source code of Fedora, just much more custom for gamers and creators and the like, which is fantastic. But I digress. I wanted to show you all and walk you through the issue I came across, and how to install and be able to use the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers. So the weird thing is that if you actually go up here, the Bluetooth does actually work and is actually showing as working, but for whatever reason, it only works with the Bluetooth. It does not work with the Wi-Fi, and the problem is it is actually a broadband chip or Broadcom chip, and it does have a weird finicky bit to it. But thankfully, somebody was able to come up with a fix, and actually documented every single one of the drivers and chips specifically. So if you have one of these chips right here, then definitely this will help you out. And yeah, we'll get straight into it. One way you can actually figure out if you do have them is by doing these. I've already done them. It can help if you want to. Well, matter of fact, yeah, we'll just do it in case you guys may want to see it. So let's split the screen. I found that splitting the screen is much easier. So you do want to do the right click and paste, because if you do Control V, and gotta love this password, so it will actually spit out every single piece of hardware in here. What we are working with is the Broadcom, which is again what is causing the issue. And since it is a 4360, it is going to be one of the ones that is under here, even though it's not listed here. I was successfully able to get it to fix the issue I was having with Wi-Fi, even though it is not the official 4360, is not listed on here. The fix does work. So even if you don't have the specific BCM 43228WL wireless driver, it will still work on you. So if you have in general a broadband or Broadcom driver, it does actually work for this. So yeah, and keep in mind, this is only the fix for Fedora versions 28 through 38. I haven't met too many people. So in order to be able to do this, you do have to have RPM Fusion repo already opened up. But if you're using Nobara similar to what I am, you will actually already have that pre-installed, and that does definitely come in handy. So it is already a pre-installation as soon as you boot it up. But the nice thing is, after you get that installed, it's very simple from there. You just copy. It's essentially just copying and pasting. Hey, is this the right package? Yes, it is. It is the exact one. So, yeah. And again, we're just wanting to absolutely make sure that it is the correct one. And it doesn't even tell you specifically where they're pulling it from. It is being pulled from the Broadcom. And you can update your system. I just already did. I update every time I get onto a new Linux distro. I always run any and all updates because I don't like to have to wait around. But like I said, you just copy and paste the sudo dnf install kmod-wl, and that is the wireless driver for this, and it will be installing the ak-mod-wl and Broadcom-wl, and overall it is the overall arcing dependency and RPM that it is downloading is the kmod-wl, but it is showing you what also dependencies are being included. This is type Wi-Fi yes, which makes it so much simpler, and it's complete, and we should be able, and then if you actually restart, which I'm just not going to necessarily do right now, due to the fact that I wouldn't be able to talk to you guys right now. But with that being said, we can go into the settings, and I'm not sure why it's not showing at the moment, but if config and now we can actually see indicated up here that yes, now the Wi-Fi is working. After I ran the script, I did have to actually restart my computer. But yeah, if you guys need it, I'll have the link attached in the description. So yeah, hope y'all have a great day. Hope it definitely helped y'all out. And yeah. Please like and subscribe if it helped you. If it didn't, and any comment, anything that maybe I could have done a little bit better. I'm just starting out. I'm hoping to be able to continue to grow as I go. And yeah, have a wonderful day.